Welcome to you all. This is another integration. Question is evaluate integration dx by x plus 1 whole to the power 1/3 plus x plus 1 whole to the power half. First write the integration dx by x plus 1 power 1/3 plus x plus 1 power half. In the denominator there is a exponential function, an exponent, that is indices are fraction. In this type of question, generally find LCM of the indices. Here indices 1/3 and half. So LCM of 3 and 2. Here LCM of and 3, that is equal to 6. After that we will substitute x plus 1 to the power 1/3. Why it is done? It is done because of after substituting we will not get the fractional power or fractional indices, because 1/3 and half will be cancelled out. See how it is. Let x plus 1 to the power 1 by 6, that is equal to y. So x, that is equal to y to the power 6. How it is done? Both sides raised to the power 6. Both sides raised to the power 6. Now x plus 1 to the power 1/3 or x plus 1 to the power 1/3. How we are having this? Both sides raising to the power 1/3. That means y to the power 6 to the power 1/3 into 1/3, cancelled out, that is equal to y square. Again x plus 1 raised to the power half, that is equal to y to the power 6 half c, that is equal to y cube. Another thing is we will find dx. Get this differentiating, first writing another again x plus 1 1 y to the power 6, differentiating both sides with respect to x. What we will have, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of y to the respect first with respect to y 6 y to the power 5 with respect to x, then dy by dx. Here we will find dx, that is equal to 6 y to the power 5 dy. Now we will substitute the values in original integration. Here original integration is integration, the value of dx, what we are having, 6 y to the power 5 dy, 6 y to the power 5 dy, x plus 1 to the power 1/3, what we have got, a y cube, not y cube, x plus 1 to the power 1/3 is equal to y square, x plus 1 to the power half is equal to plus y cube. Now take out common y square from denominator. 6 writing outside, integration y to the power 5 dy, taking out common y square from these two terms in the denominator, 1 plus y, that is equal to y square and y5 will get cancelled, will be y cube and 1. So 6 integration y cube dy 1 plus y. Now see, to integrate this, we have to express numerator of 1 plus y. How to do? We can do this by directly dividing y cube or by observation. Draw a line here for separating. Now this step writing again here, equal to 6 integration y cube dy 1 plus y. Now better dividing y cube by 1 plus y, simple division. What will be y square and y square, because y when it will be multiplied by y square, that will be y cube. So y cube writing first plus y square. Now subtract minus, as it is assumed here is plus, minus, this will be cancelled. What will be here? Minus y. Now in the question, what should be written here? Minus y, because we need minus y square. Minus y square minus y. Subtract, do that, change the signs y. Next what will be? Plus 1. That means y plus 1. Then subtract minus, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, minus 1 enter. So y cube may be written as 6 y cube by writing y square minus y plus 1 minus remainder 1 by 1 plus y. Now integrate term by term. We will use the formula integration x to the power n dx. Formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is getting constant. So 6 bracket, third bracket, integration of y square y cube by 3. I will receiving 2 plus 1 3 n plus 1 minus y square by 2 plus y, integration of constant y, minus log of modulus symbol 1 plus y. As we know that integration dx by x equal to log of mod x plus c, here plus c, where c is integrating constant, here third bracket, where c is integrating constant. So finally, we will substitute the value of y. X plus 1 to the power 1 by 6 equal to y. Now substitute y is equal. So that is equal to 6 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by 6 minus here 1/3 half 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by 6 2 plus 1 plus x to the power 1 by 6 minus log of 1 plus x to the power 1 by 6 third bracket closed plus t is equal to third bracket opened, that is 6 multiplied by third bracket expression, t will be cancelled out after simplification. 2 1 plus x half minus 6 and 2 cancelled plus x 1/3 plus 6 minus 6 log 1 plus module sign. Therefore, then dx by x plus 1 whole to the power 1/3. Equal to thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel M Karmakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.